Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Xbox One model and locating the Ethernet port on the back. That ensures you know whether you need an adapter. Next, pick a Cat5e or Cat6 LAN cable and inspect both ends for damage so you avoid intermittent drops. Once you have the cable, power down or pause heavy network use on your router for a quick port swap. This reduces DHCP conflicts and speeds the initial connection process. You plug one end of the LAN cable into the Xbox Ethernet jack and the other into an available router LAN port. Make sure the connectors click. Once connected, turn on the console and go to Home, then Settings, then Network and Network Settings, because that's where you force a wired configuration. Choose Wired, allow the console to obtain an IP via DHCP, and then run Test Network Connection so you can confirm link speed, NAT type, and packet loss before launching online play. You finish by checking NAT type and measured speed in network settings, because open NAT and low ping are crucial for multiplayer. If the Xbox shows no link, restart the router and console, then try another LAN port or a different cable to isolate the fault. If problems persist, assign a static IP to the Xbox and forward Xbox Live ports on your router. This fixes many multiplayer and party chat issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.